Hey everyone, it's Dream Seer 444. Hope you guys are doing well. We're going to see what's going on in collective energy, what's going on around you guys, with you guys. How are you feeling? How someone is feeling about you? Let's see what's going on, guys. I'm going to invite you guys to my new channel, the Dream Oracle. For those of you who are interested in water sign readings, for right now, it is strictly Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio um, readings, because I was trying to decide if I wanted to do a Pisces only, but I think I'll do water signs. I do have Pisces and Scorpio in my birth chart. I mean, I'm a Pisces sun, so, and I'll do all the other signs on this channel. So if you guys want to follow me over there, it's the Dream Oracle. All right. So we have court case, doing time, and lawsuit. All right. So somebody's in court. Someone could be on trial. Okay. So there's like a judgment being made here. What's going on with this? Ghosted, isolation, and mystical. So there's someone miss a court date, or somebody is coming up missing in a court case. Hmm. What's this about? Wow. Ghosted, isolated, confirmation though. There could be a mystery around some court case. What's this? Scorpio energy? Oh, come on, please don't tell me I'm picking up this energy. Scorpio, there's some confusion around this court case. What's the ghosted though? Seven of Cups is coming out here. Five of they are the Seven of Pentacles. Somebody's coming up with a plan. Somebody's trying to manifest something and they're hoping that it works in their favor. And it has something to do with a court case. What is this here? It could be a Taurus. Yeah, the King of Swords is coming out here. Somebody's looking at some information, some evidence here. It's like somebody's trying to see if something is going to work. But there's the Seven of Cups, so there is some confusion, or this could be somebody trying to create an illusion about some type of mystical something, something involving like could be a Virgo. This is giving me Virgo energy, but some confusion around someone's disappearance or mystical. What is this mystical? I need more. It feels real investigative. What is this? Collective, are some of you in a court case or something? The King of Cups with the Justice with the Ace of Pentacles. There's a mystery around some type of, I don't know if somebody ghosted, disappeared, what happened here, but there is something about like some evidence being presented. The Ace of Pentacles to the Justice. The Ace of Pentacles is being presented right towards the Justice, and there's a King of Cups involved here. What is this Ace of Pentacles? It could have a lot to do with some money, investments. Hopefully somebody's not trying to pay somebody. Oh my God. As soon as I say that, the Six of Pentacles comes out. Somebody trying to bribe someone, pay someone off. What's the Six of Pentacles? Oh, Four of Pentacles. Somebody's trying to hide the fact that they're trying to pay someone off. Something about a mystery, some information, or a person that was missing. The Knight of Swords. Somebody's coming in rather quickly with this Knight of Swords. Somebody's being direct, honest. There could be a big change in a court case. What is this big change here? Ten of Swords. Something about an ending. It could even be a death here. The Ten of Swords is some type of downfall or betrayal that could have even led. Ooh, Seven of Swords with the Six of Cups. Something happened in someone's past where they were lying, sneaking, or they tried to. I'm hearing something like a hit and run or something is what I'm getting here. Some type of evidence being presented to the justice system, to the courts. Something that has been a mystery, something that has been hidden, some evidence. Let's dig. What is this about? I had to go to my exhibit deck. Collective, does this have anything to do with you guys? Oh. Eyewitness watching and proof. Yeah, somebody saw something. Intuition, realization, and confusion. Somebody may have tried to keep someone confused about what they saw. And then you have medical records, health records, and doctor visit, and you have wearing a mask, hidden intentions, and secret enemy. Somebody here, it could be trying to recall, or somebody's trying to get someone to recall something from the past, or maybe somebody's trying to make someone forget what they know or speak about what they know. Okay, but there's something about health records, doctor visits, someone here hiding their intentions or hiding who they are, or this could be a doctor who is working for somebody. Something's being investigated. Tell me more. What's going on here? Something could have to do. Yeah, it says history. Something. This is something in the past that happened, and it's like somebody's realizing or being called to remember what happened. Okay, somebody here could have been pregnant. It says entrapment, pregnancy, money, and heartstring. Something could have been done for some money, or somebody was pregnant, and something could have happened like with them, maybe at the doctor. There's some records about someone's pregnancy, or someone's intention to entrap someone if it's not a pregnant, because there's somebody pregnant on this card. Somebody's intentions to trap someone, maybe to even hide. What is this? Hiding. Someone could have hid a pregnancy, or someone tried to trap somebody up with some money. Somebody could have bribed someone. Yeah. Um. Give me a second. Let me just move these cards so I can see. Who is this King of Sword? There's a King of Sword, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. This can be a judge. Okay, this could be someone who is trying to get the truth. Someone's asking questions and investigating is what the King of Sword to the Seven of Pentacles is giving me. Who is this King of Sword? It could be a Capricorn or Earth sign. This King of Sword is someone who is providing, someone of status, someone who is stable, someone who is providing some type of security, or they're protected here. What's this Nine of Pentacles with this King of Sword? The Queen of Cups. This King of Sword could be looking into something regarding a feminine energy here. A female. There's a King of Cups, there's a Queen of Cups, there's a Nine of Pentacles out here. So there's a King of Sword. What are they doing here when it comes to this Queen of Cups, Nine of Pentacles? Somebody is single. Um, could be a mother. What's going on here with this person? That this King of Swords seems to be asking questions. Something about a King of Pentacles here. A lot of people coming out here with this King of Sword. So that's why I feel like this King of Sword could be like a judge, or they're investigating, because now there's a King of Pentacles coming out here. Yeah, the Page of Sword. Somebody is defensive here. Somebody is trying to ask questions, get information. And with the Ten of Swords out here, this could be around an ending. What is this regarding? That these questions are. What are these questions about? The Empress in the reverse. There could be an Empress an Empress who is no longer here. The Fool, the Knight of Pentacles. Somebody presenting some new evidence here. Wow. Oh, I don't want to touch this. What the hell is this? Seven of Swords again. Um. Wow. Is this some type of evidence that's being presented concerning the passing of a feminine here in court? There's a mystery here that something is missing. Yeah, this is coming out missing. There's some evidence that's missing, or there's someone who is missing. And on this card, missing, there's an envelope. It looks like it has blood on it, like somebody dropped the envelope. So there could be some evidence somewhere. It could be like a letter or something, a document or something. What is this? Devil. Oh, shit. The devil is coming out in this reading. Somebody did something very demonic, evil here. What did they do? And what is coming out? Dismemberment. Ooh, somebody was a part of somebody's um, something falling apart. It could actually be a dismemberment or something coming out about someone's, maybe someone's into devil work, sacrificing. Someone could have been sacrificed. Uh, Serial killer. Mm. Well, what happened to this Queen of Cups, Nine of Pentacles? Why is this out here with this King of Pentacles? Assassination. Somebody could have did something to an Empress. The Empress is in the reverse. So there could be speculation about accident. Somebody saying it was an accident, but it could actually have been an assassination. Oh my. Greed. Something about greed, and then it says female. Greed. Something could have been about money, or somebody was being greedy, or someone thought a female was being greedy here. Water. Something is by the water, or somebody's a water sign. We do have King of Cups, Queen of Cups out here. This could have been a couple. Someone could have like an air sign child. The King of Pentacles could be someone who is very wealthy, established. Something happened here with this King of Pentacles, with this Queen of Cups, and the Nine of Pentacles. This Queen of Cups, Nine of Pentacles could be the same person. This could be someone who is single. You know, the King of Pentacles is normally someone like who's in a marriage. Um, but this may just be someone who is very materialistic, arrogant, someone who's very successful here. This is someone who has an empire. But there's something going on here about someone being missing, and the Emperor is coming out here in the reverse, which means that someone could have been dethroned here. Someone could have been, yeah. An Empress in the reverse can be someone who's insecure, infertile, someone who's experiencing no growth, you know, someone who can just be kind of stunted. But this Empress in the reverse could also be someone who's no longer, you know, they're no longer on that throne here. There's something about travel and organized crime. What happened with this Empress in the reverse? The Death card with the Lovers. See, I'm getting out of this energy right now. I'm not going to do this. I asked what happened to the Empress in the reverse. The Death card with the Lovers just came out. Someone is speculating here that someone has something to do with the death of an Empress here. And I feel like someone's trying to present. Is somebody presenting information about this? What's going on? What's this? Yeah, Page of Wands. Good news. Six of Cups is coming out here again. Scorpio energy, Sagittarius energy. Something about a past. This could involve a child once again. Okay, something with children or something with the past. The Queen of Pentacles is now coming out here with the Strength card. Someone could be a Capricorn, a Leo, a Scorpio, or Sagittarius. Everything is pretty much out here, but I see somebody, there could be a Queen of Pentacles is holding back some information, or somebody's trying to keep this Queen of Pentacles from talking about something from the past. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave this here. I don't even think this is the collective energy. Why this is coming up? You know, maybe some of you are connected to this situation, and I can't say that this is dealing with, you know, what's going on in the media. some of you could be dealing with a cold case, and you're trying to figure out who was all involved. And I hope that this reading has given you some clues or some ideas and to who was involved here. I really wasn't trying to go there, but this is what came out, so I just gotta. It has a purpose for why it's coming out, but you guys let me know if this resonates with you, or and if it doesn't, it's definitely a situation that's going on. Mm, mm, mm. And I'm not one of those that like to try to draw certain type of attention. I don't need it. I'm real careful. So hope, maybe it does have something to do with that. Maybe this is something that some of you are experiencing and you're needing answers. I would say just book a personal reading if you need more information regarding a situation. Temperance energy, Sagittarius is coming out here. So something is being made balanced, something is being made right and healed here. Okay, whatever this is that's hidden with the moon, something is coming out here, Six of Swords, so that someone can move on to calmer waters and someone can heal. That's what the purpose of this is. Yeah, the Tower, Scorpio energy again. Something is being destroyed here so that someone else can move on. The Six of Swords is giving me spiritual energy, like somebody's spirit can rest here. Maybe even a child can be at peace with knowing something or having evidence of something. All right, I'm gonna leave it here, guys. I'll have to come back and do another one. I'm so sorry. I just want out of that energy, especially with the devil popping out with dismemberment. It's giving very sacrificial energy, like something was going on. Someone was sacrificed, maybe because someone thought that there was greed, they were being greedy, or something like that was going on. I'll see you guys on the next one.